Today is June 2nd, Bloomington, Indiana. So I have most of the leafy vegetables at the house in the balcony. Most of my vegetables are in the community garden. I just want to show what I have at home. Um, so mm, these are mustard greens. So mostly to help with the pests. Um these ones are eggplant seedlings. Just in case I lose some of the eggplant seedlings, I have them at home. And these are vine tomato seedlings. Same thing, just in case I lose some of the seedlings at the community garden, I just have them. Uh, these are marigold. These will be um, transplanted in the community garden for the pollination. And this one is methi, we generally use in most of Indian curries. So I have methi, which is commonly used in most of our curries. And then this one is called, it has several names, asparagus, amarnath. In my native language, it's called totakura in Telugu. So this is a red one, and I also have another type of amarnath. It's a green. So yeah, I mean like this one I'm using. This is a dog pool, which I got it from Walmart for $7. So it's 36-inch radius. It's a really good size. I thought I would use. I mean like I want to make use of it. And then I have methi. So this is ready to be harvested actually. I think I have enough for one time. So mostly I harvest when I have a second set of leaves. I think it's a little late, but not too late. I can go ahead and harvest it. In these ones, chives and rosemary. I still don't have a lot of seedlings yet. I just put seeds, and I still don't see a lot of seedlings. I may replant, I may reseed, I'm not very sure. But this is also being used as a compost. Underneath, there is a lot of organic waste that is being composted. And then this one is spearmint. This one I don't use a lot. I mean, like I don't use it a lot in my curries or anything. But then the smell is good, and I thought it would help with a lot of pests, so I just planted it. And then this one is half of it is sweet basil, and other half is oregano. Sweet basil, I think big. I think oregano ones are still small, so you could barely see them. Yeah. And then I have this one actually holy basil. I overwintered it, but it looks like it didn't really make it. But I do have a few seedlings. Uh, if you can recognize basil leaves, you would know what is the holy basil. I'll try to show. Yeah, this one holy basil, this one. So there are few holy basil there, but most of them are amarnath, and I think there are some flower seedlings too. But this one I didn't really put any seedlings. It just came, I think, last year seeds. And this one is mustard greens. So this big one is mustard greens, and the other one are flower seedlings. This is also from last year's seeds. So I mean, like I didn't plant them; they just came. Maybe there were some seeds inside, and they just grew. Just wanted to give them a chance. And then this one is heirloom tomatoes. So they don't give a lot of yield, but they taste very good. It's like a fruit instead of vegetable. So I like to eat them raw. And this one is tomato, vine tomato. Actually, I have tomatoes in the um, community garden as well, but then I had a few here because I heard from some of the gardeners, so they didn't have real good success with tomatoes last year. So I just want to make sure I have some at home just in case there was a problem at community garden. And then you can see a lot of Amarnath everywhere from last year's seeds, it seeded itself. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, and this one is cucumber, Indian cucumber, not the one, not the one used in the salads actually. So yeah, this is my first year with cucumbers, so I have to see how it's going to go. And also I have marigold. So I didn't put as many marigolds as I did last time. I put throughout the perimeter last year, but this time I put it only one side because I wanted to use that space for some other purpose. Just first flower, not yet fully bloomed yet. And this is fully bloomed. I don't know whether you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, these seeds are from the last year. I mean, I think they are perennial or something. They just showed up. So I didn't want to get rid of them. So I let them grow. Same thing here, Amarnath, which grew itself. Yeah, that's it. It's my balcony. And yeah, a lot. I mean, I think one thing I learned about this one, because this one doesn't have any holes, it's rusting. Probably if I was going to redo it, I mean, maybe I would get something with holes instead of without holes. Otherwise, you'll see rust like this. This is only second year, so it's very bad. So probably I would have to replace this one. That's it.